So most people solve this question like 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, right? Then again 5 minus 5 is equal to also 0. Now 0 times 0 is equal to 0, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one another subtraction, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So now 5 minus, now solve this multiplication. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 minus 5, right? Now here we have one subtraction and here we have one subtraction. So both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction, right? So 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20 minus 5, right? So minus 20 minus 5 is equal to minus 25. So the correct answer is minus 25, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.